In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money with a new AI scheduling affiliate program called FlowSavvy. I will also be giving you 2 free strategies that you can use to promote this affiliate program at the end of the video. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my platform where you can come for free and find the best affiliate programs in the world. And today we're going to be going over the FlowSavvy affiliate program, which pays 40% reoccurring commission. And it is an AI scheduling tool to improve your productivity. Over 90,000 people have already signed up and it's growing very quickly. And unlike traditional scheduling software, it uses AI so you can tell it what you're going to do for the week. It can also automatically reschedule your task whenever you make changes to your schedule. You can also easily set repeating tasks, and you can easily visualize your schedule with automatic color coding. And it's available on the App Store as well as Google Play. And you can install it on Chrome or Brave as a standalone app. They also have a free plan so you can test it out. So this is what it looks like when you sign up. It says, "Welcome to FlowSavvy, let's go." And then you can go ahead and you can start creating your schedule. And one really cool thing about it is you can also sync the schedule to Google, iCloud, or Outlook. It has a light and a dark theme. And you can also create a task that repeats itself daily, weekly, every weekday, or on the weekend, or specific days at specific times. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below, scroll to the footer, and click affiliate. And then just put in your name, email, password, and agree to the terms and conditions, and you'll be automatically approved. And then you can go ahead and put in your PayPal. And then after that, you can go to the dashboard and you can go ahead and copy this link and start sharing it. And one way you can make a lot of money with this affiliate program is to create YouTube videos with the keywords like AI scheduling, AI schedule maker, as you can see here. Another way is to create a blog post like this one that says FlowSavvy Review 2025, what I really think after using it. And then if we scroll down a little bit, he gives a review and then he has an affiliate link that you can click. I think this affiliate program has a lot of potential. If you want to find more affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions about FlowSavvy, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,